Hello there, Estrelita. This video is going to show you how to access both of your WordPress instances for your shopping site, so SkinSalon. So here we are on your homepage of skinsalon.org, and then if we go to our another tab, we have the store.skinsalon.org, which the homepage, if someone goes here from your actual original site, you're going to end up on the shop page right here, which is going to promote the main products. So in order to get into the back end of your sites, now remember there's going to be two separate back ends, one for your main area of your site, one for your storefront of your site. So in the address bar to log into your main area of your site, put in wp/wp-admin, just like that, after the skinsalon.org. That's going to bring you to your dashboard for your website, just like you would with your Dermabrite site. You have your username, which is Estrelita, and then your password, which you should already know. If you don't, let me know, I can provide it for you. And then click Login. And this is going to bring you to the dashboard for your main area of your site. Now, in order to get access to this area, which is the store of your site, you need to put the wp-admin after store.skinsalon.org. So there's that one little difference. Press Enter. That's going to bring you to the login screen for this area of your site. Same username, same password, unless it's been changed after this video. There we are. We're on the dashboard now for your storefront of your site. Both are WordPress, both have the exact same theme. Just the difference between this and your other site is if you look on the left-hand side, your main site does not have WooCommerce. Your storefront has WooCommerce. That's how you can tell the difference between the two, just so you don't make a mistake of changing something on one and thinking it's on the other. So in order to add any products to your storefront, you need to make sure you're in the storefront area of your site, which has the WooCommerce. So all the settings are here for WooCommerce, but the products are right underneath. So if you just hover, you can click Add Product, or you can just look at all the products that are already listed. So if we look at all the products that are already listed, we've already set up the product that you gave us as a test product. So you can see the information is already here. You can use this as basically like a template. So if you want, you can duplicate this. So if we click Duplicate, it's going to bring us to the post page as if we are adding in the product already again. So what you can do is you can change the title. So you put in product name here. Change the permalink. So right now it's Sugar Buzz Coffee Body Scrub Coffee. So you'd put product dash name, whatever it is. Click OK. And then in the body area is where you're going to put in the description of the content. So as you can see, we've got the ingredients, directions, all the information about the product. Now on the right hand side, product categories, we have body scrub already added because that's one of the products. Now add in the categories for your products here by clicking Add New Product Category, put in the name, and click Add New Product Category. You can also add product tags so that it's easy for people to search for specific products. So we have body scrub is already in one of these, but since you might be adding a different product, click the little X. That gets rid of that tag. You can click Choose Most from the most used tags. That way you don't have to write them in all over again if you've already used them before. And you just click on it, it puts it back in to one of the tags. All you have to do to add is type in a name, so product type, click Add, and that'll add it to the tags. If you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see the image is here. So we can remove the image that's already there. Click Set Featured Image. It pulls up the images in the media library that's already there. If you want to, you can upload files from your computer by clicking Upload Files. Click on Select Images. Click Select Files, and that'll bring up the images on your file on your computer, and you can select them and add them into your media library. Once they're added into your media library, you'll be able to see it. You can add the title and whatnot, and click Set Featured Image, and it'll show up on the right. Now, in product data, this is where you're going to edit the information for your product. So you can choose whether it's a group product or a simple product. For this type of product, we just have simple. If it's only a virtual or downloadable, you can select those, but this is a physical product. The SKU, so that it refers to the stock keeping unit, so a unique identifier. So we just put Sugar Buzz for this. You can put whatever you want for your product. The pricing for the regular price, and then if you are having a sale, you can put in the sale price, and you can even schedule it for a specific time and when to end. Then you can put your inventory, your shipping information, the linked products for upsells and cross sales, the attributes, and there's advanced features. Generally, all you have to do is focus with the general, the inventory, and the shipping, and then that's going to give you all the information that you need for your people. Unless you're doing shipping is included in the price, then you don't have to really bother with the shipping. Now, for the short description, if you scroll down even more, this is just basically, well, it's exactly what it is. It's a short description of the product itself. It's going to show up in a different area than the main description, but you want to put that in because it'll be like the summary that shows up on the front page underneath the product image. Now, once you've done that, you click the Publish button, and that'll publish the product into the system, and it'll be ready to purchase. Since we don't need this, we're going to move this to trash. There we go. Now, in WooCommerce right here, if you go to Settings, this is where you're going to be able to access everything that has to do with your e-commerce site. So payment gateways is important because this is where you're going to get paid. So what we want to do here is we want to see PayPal. So we've got the PayPal here. If we click PayPal, actually if we go to PayPal up here, sorry, there we go. Now this is PayPal standard is enabled, and what you want to do is put in your PayPal email in here. So to make sure that this information is filled out properly, and then click Save Changes. Right now, PayPal Sandbox is enabled, so this means that's only a testing account. Disable this, put in the email, and you're good to go.